So you want to add music to your videos. Amazing, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to your TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube videos. So if you're looking for a specific platform, please feel free to skip forward to the chapter that you need. Now with that said, let's get into the video. Now, if you're adding music to TikToks, Insta Reels, or Stories, you'll have trending music already built into that app. But if you're looking to add music to, let's say, an Instagram post or a YouTube video, you're going to need to use copyright-free music, or, well, you risk getting a strike on your channel or even demonetization. So here are some places that you can find free, copyright-free music. First up, we have YouTube's very own studio, and in here you can find an entire audio library of songs that are categorized by genre and mood. You can have a listen, see what works for your video, and then click download. Second up, we have pixabay.com, and on here, similar to YouTube Studio, you have an entire library that you can filter them by duration, genre, mood, and theme. We have upbeat.io, and all you gotta do here is create an account and you'll get 10 free downloads a month of tracks that have already been cleared by YouTube. And lastly, we have VEED.io. Within VEED, we have a bunch of free copyright-free music. Now, full disclosure, not every track is included in the free plan, so if you want to unlock the entire vault of stock audio, you'll have to pay a small fee. First up, we have TikTok. We're going to open up the app here, press the plus sign. If you haven't recorded your TikTok, you can go ahead and do that now by pressing on the record button. But if your video is ready to go, just click upload, and on your screen you will see add sound. Click that, and in here you can search for any song that you want. And once you picked your song, you can then click volume at the bottom right hand corner and turn the original sound down, and voila, you've added music to your TikTok. If you would like to add your own music to TikTok, the best way to do this is to click the first link in the description to open up VEED. Now we're in VEED, we're going to click upload a file, choose the video that you want to add music to, and just give that a second to upload. Now if your video isn't the correct aspect ratio, no worries, we're just going to head to settings here, click the arrow that's next to size, and scroll down until you see TikTok. Then you can just drag the corners and the sides out to fill the frame. Next, we need to upload our music. So in the left hand column, click media. Now choose your own music file, and once it's uploaded, you will see it appear under your video in the timeline. Now to trim that music, you're just going to drag that over so it ends in time with the video. If you need to silence your video's audio, it's very simple. Just click on the video and then under audio, drag that volume bar all the way over to the left. Now we can export our video. So click export in the top right hand corner, choose your render settings. I tend to go for HD, and then click export once more. Give it a minute here to render, and once it's finished, just watch it through once just to make sure you're happy, then click download and download MP4. You can now upload your video to TikTok, and once it's posted, you can rename the music track by clicking the disc in the bottom corner. Click the pen tool and now type out whatever it is that you want to call it, and that's it. That's how to add music to TikTok. Similarly to TikTok, we're going to open up Instagram now, and I'm going to show you how to add music to a story, a reel, and a post. First, let's start with Instagram stories. So to add music to a story, we're going to click plus on your photo icon, and now you can choose to record yourself, or you can use a photo or a video from your library. Now click the square face icon and choose music. And in here you can search for your favorite song and choose the song portion you want by dragging that track either left or right. And once you're happy with that, click done, and then you can move the song icon by dragging it anywhere on the screen. Next, for adding music to Instagram Reels, we're going to click plus icon in the top right hand corner and choose Reel. Again, record your reel now if you haven't already, but if it's pre-recorded, just click the photo icon in the bottom left hand corner. Choose your video and click add. Now if you'd like to add more videos, just repeat that process. Now click on the music note and search for the song that you want. It's just the same as before. You can drag that track over to find the portion of the song that you want and then click done. Now click next, watch a preview of your reel, and if you're happy with that, click next again, fill in a caption and hit share. Lastly, how to add music to an Instagram post. Now this cannot be done within the app, so we're going to head over to VEED. All you have to do is click the first link in the description. Now we're in VEED, we're going to click upload a file, choose the video that we want to add music to, and just give that a second to upload. Now in settings here, you'll see size. We're going to click that arrow down and choose Instagram square 1:1 ratio. And if you need to adjust the size, just drag your corners and sides out to fit the frame. Next, we're going to click media here in the left hand column and upload our music track. Now if you need to find copyright free music for free, just refer back to my second chapter where I give you a load of options of where to find it. Now, once you've picked your track, just give it a second to upload and it'll appear below your video in the timeline. You can now drag your track in and out to find the portion of the song that you want to fit your video clip. And then all you gotta do is line it up with the video. Now, if you need to higher or lower your volume on the actual video itself, just simply click on the video and use the volume bar here to adjust. Now we can export our video. So just click export in the top right hand corner, choose your render settings and click export once more. And then we're just going to watch it through once just to make sure we're happy, and then all we're going to do is click download and download MP4. We can now head back into Instagram here. We're going to click the plus sign, we're going to upload our post and just simply share it. And that's it. That is how you add music to Instagram. Next up we have Facebook, and they've created their own kind of version of TikTok and Instagram Reels. So now if we open up the Facebook app and we head over to our own profile, scroll down to posts, and you will see the reel icon. Click on that, click audio, and here you can search for any song that you like. And once you've chosen your song, you can drag that track over until you find the portion of the song that you want and then click done. Now you'll see that our videos are pre-populated below, so just go ahead and choose your video, or you can record one now by holding down the record button. And once you've added your video, click audio in the right hand column, and here you can lower down the audio on your video so that you can only hear the music track. And you also have an option here to add a voiceover. Now once you're happy with that, click done, click next, fill in your caption and hit share now. Moving on to Facebook posts. Now there's absolutely no option within the app to add music, so we're going to head over to VEED and add music to our video there. You can go ahead and click the first link in the description. Now we're in VEED, we're going to click upload a file, choose a video that you want to add music to, and give it a couple of seconds here to upload. Next in settings, you'll see size. Just click that arrow down and scroll down here until where you see where it says Twitter and Facebook portrait and landscape. You can choose whichever one you like, portrait and landscape, whichever works best for you, and then just drag those corners and sides out to fill the frame. Next we need to upload our music, so we're just going to click media here in the left hand column, choose our music file, and give it a minute here to upload. You'll see it under your video in the timeline. Now to trim that music, we're just going to drag that bar over, and so it ends in time with the video itself. Now if you need to adjust the audio in your video, just click on your video, and then you can drag that volume bar up and down depending on whether you want to increase or decrease the volume. And you can do the exact same for the audio clip itself. Just click on your music track, and then beside audio you can just drag that bar up and down. Now we can export our video. So just click export in the top right hand corner, choose your render settings, and click export once more. Watch it through once it's finished rendering, make sure you're happy, and if you're happy you can go ahead and click download and download MP4. And now we can just head over to our Facebook app here. You can click on your profile and then scroll down to where you see post, and then you can just upload your video that we've just downloaded and click post. And that is how you add music to Facebook videos. Last but not least, I'm going to show you how to add music to YouTube videos, so go ahead and click the first link in the description. Alright, now we're in VEED, we're going to click upload a file, choose your YouTube video file, and give that a minute to upload. Now here in VEED, we actually have stock audio clips built into the website, some of which are included in the free plan, so I'm going to use one of those. But if you have your own track that you would like to add, just simply click media here in the left hand column, click upload a file, and choose that music track. And once it's uploaded, you will see it appear below your video in the timeline. Now to trim the music, just drag that track in and out and place it directly below your video. Now we're happy with that, we can render and export our video. So just click export in the top right hand corner, choose your render settings, and click export once more. We're going to watch it through once just to make sure we're happy, and once we're happy with it, we can then click download and download MP4. And there you have it, that's where to find free copyright free music and how to add music to any video for TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I really hope you found this video helpful, guys. If you did, go on and give us a like, subscribe for more editing content, and leave me any comments or questions down below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!